Hi students, from similar triangles 8.1 third problem. In the given figure DE parallel AC, DF is a parallel to AE. Prove that BF by FE is equal to BE by AC. Already we know that from BPT theorem, given DE parallel AC and in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to AC. So these ratios are equal. BE by EC is equal to BD by DA. Okay. Now say so that's why BD by DA by BE by EC. So BD by DA equal to BE by EC. Now in triangle, here given one more pair of parallel lines, DA parallel AE. It is happening in triangle ABE. So now see in the diagram ABE. How can you write BF by FE? BF by FE is equal to BD by DA. BD by DA. So that implies, can we write now? BD by DA is equal to BF by FE. Okay. Since basic proportionality theorem, BPT theorem. So now take this equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and equation 2, we can write RHS are equal. Why? LHS are equal. So that's why RHS are equal in equation 1 and 2. So that's why BE by EC is equal to BF by FE. Okay. So this only we have to prove. Hence proved. Short question will be given for 2 marks question. Okay. Now let's start one more question. See here, fourth question, same 8.1, exercise 8.1, exercise 8.1, fourth problem. Okay, so I'm not writing question. See here, listen to my question. Prove that a line is drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle. So let's draw the first triangle. Let's draw the triangle. Okay, I am taking A, B, C. Here one line is passing through midpoint of AB. It is D. Okay, this is L. Okay, here intersects at, take this point E. And what is asking? Whenever a line passing through the midpoint of AB, this line bisects the third side, we have to prove. Okay, but how to prove? So I am taking, maybe this line intersects not only but also here. I am taking here. So take this E dash. Maybe otherwise intersects here E dash. Okay, let's see. First, given in triangle ABC, D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint of AB. Means, how can you write? D is the midpoint means AD part, BD part equal. So AD is equal to BD. Take this equation 1. Okay. Now, here DE is parallel to BC since given. Immediately we can write from BPT theorem AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Okay. See here, This is from BPT theorem. So now, from equation 1, AD equal to BD. So, I am writing in the place of AD, BD I am writing. BD or BD, otherwise DB also we can write. DB by DB is equal to AE by EC. Okay? DB cancel. 1 equal to AE by EC. By cross multiplication, 1 into AE is equal to EC. So that implies what can we understand in the diagram? AE equal to EC means AE equal to EC means E is the midpoint. That implies E is the midpoint of AC. So therefore the line bisects. That means we can understand what? Whenever E is the midpoint of AC, the line bisects the third side AC. Yes, this only we have to prove. E is the midpoint of AC. Okay, it is the required proof. Okay, this is the similar triangle problem 8.1, fourth one. Okay, children.